Good morning, children. This is your Musfira ma'am, grade 1 English teacher. I am back with another set of new lesson. Okay, before that I want to ask you, have you all had your breakfast? Yes? Okay, very good. Be energetic. Okay? Yes. Before moving on to the section, what we used to do? Come on, tell me. Yes, you are right. We used to revisit our sounds of each letters, right? Okay, then shall we start? Are you ready? Yes, if you are ready, then let's get started. Okay, yes. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, L. You should also say along with Musfira ma'am. Come on. Ready? Yes. F, G, G, H, H, I, E, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, N, O, P. Yes. P, Q, R. Very good. R, S. I can hear. Yes, yes, bit louder. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Come on, everybody. Yes, Z. Very good. Fantastic, my dear children. Fantastic. Keep it up. Okay. Then, shall we move on to our new lesson? Yes. What was our last lesson? Related to our doing words, right? I hope by this time everyone knows what are doing words. What are doing words? The actions. Yes, correct. Our actions are doing words. You children used to do what? Which are all actions? Tell me. Yes, you used to write. Writing is an action. Okay, then read. Reading is an action. Very good. Keep going. Come on. Yes, then. Yes, play. Playing is also an action. Then eating is an action. Then drinking is an action. Then yes, singing is an action. Then dancing is an action. Then some used to fight. Fighting also is an actions, right? So these actions are nothing but doing words. Okay, today we are going to see something connected with this doing words with naming words. Do you remember this naming words? Yes, we studied. Yeah, come on, tell me, what are naming words like people, places, animals, things? Yes, you got it? The same thing, this naming words, right? These are the naming words. Today, we are going to connect this naming words with our doing words. And how we are going to connect? Yes, correct. We are going to make a sentence. Our today's topic is writing sentences. Writing sentences. Now it is in the word form. See, sit, walk, run, play, clap, dance. These are all in the word form. Now we are going to describe it in connecting with naming words and going to make a sentence. Okay, before that, shall we see what all the things are there in the doing words box? Come on, shall we? Yes. Read along with Musfira ma'am. Read these words, okay? These are the action words of doing. Okay, yes. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Okay, next. Come on, tell me the sound of W. Wow, very good. A, fantastic. L, K, K. Together, walk. Very good, children. Now tell me, what's the sound of R? R, U, and N gives out run. Okay, next one. P, very good. L, gives out play. next one. Sound of C, come on. K, very good. Sound of L, L. Sound of E, A. Sound of P, P. Clap. Come on everybody, clap. I can't hear, a bit louder. Very good. Next. D, A, N. C sound is K and E sound is E. But when C and E comes together, then we can change K sound into S. So pronounce it dance. Dance. Got it? Okay. Come on, once again tell me the doing words. Sit. Walk along with Muskuram, a bit louder. Sit. Do the action. Sit. Walk. Run. Play. Clap. And dance. Okay. Coming to naming words. People, places, animals and things. This you know, everyone knows very well, right? Okay. Now, today we are going to make sentences. How to make a sentences. Okay. Now, shall I erase this? Okay. Before that, I will give you 2 minutes time. Please copy this in your English notebook. Yes, come on. I'll give you time to copy this in your English notebook. Come on, please copy it. Write it here. Writing sentences. Naming words. People, places, animals and things. Okay, next. Doing words. Sit, walk, run, play, clap, dance. Okay, now connecting with this two, we are going to make a sentences. Yes, we are going to make a sentences with naming words and doing words. Okay, then shall we do? Are you ready? Yes, then come on. Shall I erase this? Okay, my dear children? Okay. Now, see. Who is this? Who is this? Yes, it is a cat. What is this cat is doing? Come on, tell me. What is this cat is doing? Yes, cat is. Which action is this? Sleeping. Very good. The cat is sleeping. See how beautifully it is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Okay, the cat is sleeping. Now, see to this next picture. Okay, are you ready to see the next picture? Are you ready? Bit louder. Yes. Okay, now see. Who is this? Whoa, whoa. Yes, dog. Who is this? Dog. What is this dog is doing here? Yes, the dog is running. The dog is running. Very good. Fantastic, children. Okay, the first one is the cat is sleeping. And in the next picture, what did you see? Yes, the dog is running. Now, see to the next one. Now tell me, who is this? Boy. What is this boy is doing? Yes, what is this boy doing? He used to do at home. Reading. The boy is reading. What action is doing here? Reading. Very good. Excellent, my dear lovely children. All this you going to copy in your English notebook. So, be prepared with a sharpened pencil and English 4-line notebook. Okay, my dear lovely children. First was the cat is sleeping. Second one, the dog is running. Next, the boy is, yes, reading. Okay, next one. Who is she? Yes, who is she? Girl. What is she doing? A small girl, right? Yes. The girl is writing. The girl is writing. Very good. First one we saw, the cat is sleeping. The dog is running. The boy is reading. And the girl is writing. Okay, now you understood this sentences by seeing this picture. Now shall we write it in the notebook and see how this coming to a sentence? Are you ready? Yes, are you ready with a sharpened pencil? Show me your pencil, because the sharpened pencil gives you a beautiful handwriting, that's why. Show me your pencil, let me see that lead. Okay, are you ready with your English notebook? Take a new page. Take a new page and write it the writing sentences. Okay, then shall we do? Yes. What was the first picture? The cat is sleeping. Okay. The T-H-E. The cat. K. Very good. C-A-T. Cat is E. Which letter sound is E? I. Very good. Which letter sound is S? S. Excellent, my dear children. The cat is, what action was doing that cat? Tell me. Tell me. Yes, sleeping. S. L. E. When double E comes, E. P. Ing. Got it? Now listen carefully, my dear lovely children. Whenever you start writing a sentence, what you want to do, you have to begin with capital letter. You have to begin with capital letter. See, Musfira ma'am here written capital letter T. Right? This one is capital. Always begin a sentence with capital letter. Okay. The cat is sleeping. And at the end of the sentence, what do you want to do? Is it a question? No. Then it's a normal sentence, right? So what do you want to do at the end of the sentence? This is the only sentence about that picture. No more we are going to add it. So what you want to do? You have to put a full stop. That means that's all, over. Only this much about that picture. I am not interested to tell anything more. Right? Okay, so the cat is sleeping. Here you can put full stop. These are the rules of writing sentences. Okay, beware of this. Beginning letter must be in capital, and at the end of the sentence what you want to put? You want to put a full stop. Okay, next one. Next one, what picture did you see? The dog is running. Come on, tell me the spelling of the. T-H-E. Okay, dog. D-O-O-O. G. Yes, very good. Okay, is. I-S. The dog is running. Very good. Running. ING gives you out the sound ing. Okay, ING gives you out the sound ing. Running. Okay, running, sleeping. Can you hear that sound? Ing. ING together gives it ing. So ING. So running. Okay. Next one. What was the next picture? Who was there in that picture? Tell me. Boy. Oh yeah, boy and girl. Okay. Tell me about boy. What was that boy is doing? The boy is reading. The boy is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Full stop. At the end of the sentence, what you want to do? Don't forget to put the full stop. And at the beginning of the sentence, what you want to do? You have to always start out with the capital letter, and ending, what you want to do? You have to put the full stop. Okay? And here I don't have place. Shall I write it here? Okay? Okay. At last, what was the picture? What was that girl is doing? Yes, the girl is writing. The girl is writing. The girl, G-I-R-L, girl, R is silent, okay, is writing. Very good, excellent, my dear children. And at the end of the sentence, what you want to do? Come on, tell me. Yes, full stop. Okay? Okay. The girl is writing. Now, will you read along with Musfira ma'am? I should hear everyone sound. Will you? Ready? Are you ready? Yes, come on. The girl is writing. The cat is sleeping. The dog is running. The boy is reading. Okay, these are the 4 pictures just now before we saw it. Write it. Right? Yes. Now what you want to do? Take your pencil, color pencil. Take out your color pencil. And what you want to do? You have to circle the naming words from this given sentences. Come on, will you do? Yes, do it. Come on. Before that, copy the sentences in your English notebook. Come on, I'll give you 1 minute time. Yes, copy it. Then we'll do that activity in our English notebook itself. Come on. And I'll finish off fast. And you have a surprise. Yes. I'll read out the sentence once again. The girl is writing, the cat is sleeping, the dog is running, and the boy is reading. Yes, I can hear some of them. Yes, what? Finished. Very good. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Fantastic, my dear lovely children. Finished writing. Okay. And you want to see what is that surprise? Yes? Do you want to see what is that surprise? Then all of you close your eyes. Come on, my dear lovely children, grade 1 lovely children. Come on, close your eyes. Everybody, no, someone cheating there. See, see, see. I can see. One boy is winking his eyes from there. No. Come on, close your eyes. Yes. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Open your eyes. Hi. See. Again our Rosie. Wow. How are you, Rosie? Hi. Thank you. She's very fine. Okay. What a surprise. Laughing. Is an action. Oh, laughing is an action. Okay, we understood. Our children knows very well. Laughing is an action, smiling is an action, jumping is an action. They knows everything very well. They are lovely children. Very good, very good. Okay, why did you come? I want to read this sentence. Oh, Rosie wants to read this sentence. Then shall we? Are you ready to read along with Rosie all the sentences? Yes? Okay then, so Rosie also is ready to read. Okay, come on. Shall I say something? No, I'll read. Oh, she's gonna read. Okay, come on. First one. The girl is writing. Come on, children, you also say. The girl is writing. Okay, second sentence. The cat is sleeping. The cat is sleeping. Okay, the third sentence. The dog is running. Third sentence. The dog is running. And the last sentence. The boy is reading. The boy is reading. Very good. And give a big clap for Rosie. Wow, very good, Rosie. Keep it up. You did really very well. And my children also enjoyed with you. Thanks a lot, Rosie, making this class very interesting. Okay? Okay. Now we have an activity in the sentences. Will you do? Yes. Okay. Then, Okay, my dear children, are you ready with your color pencils? Have you all written these 4 sentences? Okay, the activity is, what you want to do, you have to circle the naming words from the sentences. Naming words, name, people, name. Yes, names you should circle. Okay, will you do? Girl, it's a name, right? Yes, it's a, come on, circle it. Next one. Cat, yes. Now next one, Rosie, come on, tell me. In this sentence, which one is a naming word? Come on. Dog. Yeah, is she correct? Come on, tell me, my dear children, is she correct? Dog is a naming word? Yes, dog is a naming word. Okay, next one. The last sentence, my children, you tell me. The boy is reading. Which one is the naming word in that given sentence? Yes, boy. Come on, circle it. Very good, very good. Tap your shoulders. Fantastic, fantastic. Very good, very good. Excellent, excellent. Oh. Thank you, Rosie. Okay. Now, what you want to do, you have to underline the doing words from this sentences. Doing words, actions, right. Now tell me, here what is she doing, what this girl is doing? What this girl is doing, Rosie, come on, tell me. Writing. Very good. So, writing is an action. So, what you want to do, you have to underline that writing. Got it? Very good. Now, second one. You, my dear lovely children, you tell me. You should do along with Musfira ma'am. Okay? Yes, tell me. What this cat is doing? Come on. Rosie, tell me what this cat is doing. Come on, tell me. Sleeping. Wow. Sleeping. So, underline this action. Okay? Next one. The dog is running. Running is an action. Next, the boy is reading. Yes, very good. She is very much excited to say all these answers. Okay, reading. Very good. Now, you understood, my dear lovely children? The circle ones are naming words and the underlined ones are doing words. Doing words are nothing but action words. Okay, this is how we made the sentences with naming and doing words. And what are the things you should be aware of while writing the sentences? Come on, tell me. I'll tell you. Oh, she's telling. Okay, tell. Come on. Begin with the capital letter. Begin with the capital letter. Put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, these two things you should be very careful while you are writing your sentences. Always begin with a capital letter and at the end of the sentence what you want to put, you have to put a full stop. You have to put a full stop. Okay? Okay, dear children. Then will you, Rosie, will you please sit there? Okay. Okay. Now, shall I erase this, my dear lovely children? So, always remember, writing sentence time, begin with capital letter. And put a full stop. Okay, full stop. Got it? Okay. Now, all of you take your English workbook. Come on, everybody. Come on, take your English workbook and turn to the page number 28. Turn to the page number 28. Okay. S2. Writing sentences. Come on, you should do along with Musfira ma'am. Okay? Yes. Before that, let me erase this. Yes, 2. Look at the pictures and tick the right sentences. What you want to do, just you have to tick it to the right sentences. First one is already done for you. See to this picture. What is she doing? The girl is sleeping? No, the girl is reading. So which one is correct? Is the girl is dancing or is the girl is reading is correct? Reading, r. You see the sound that will help you to identify the words. Reading. So it is already done. Now B. See to the picture. Which animal is this? Woo! Dog. What is this dog is doing? The dog is running or the dog is crying. Which one is correct? The dog is running. The dog is running. So what you want to do? The dog is running, and here you can see two brackets, right? Inside that brackets, what you want to do? You just put a tick. That's enough. Okay, so this one is correct. This is B. Now C. Which animal is this? Cat. What is this cat is doing? The cat is jumping or the cat is sitting? See to the picture and tell me. Yes, correct. Sitting. In. Which one is? Yes, the second one is correct. The cat is sitting. The cat is sitting. In the bracket, you just put a tick. Now got it? Finished? Very good. Now here you have a work, a small work. Draw a picture and make a sentence for it. So here you have a blank box, right? What you want to do? You can draw your own picture and you can write it a sentence. Okay? As how we done, same way you can do. Okay? For an example, a boy is reading. Or if the boy is playing. Like that simple sentence you can make it on your own. Okay, draw a simple picture and make a simple sentence with one naming word and doing word. Okay, dear children, will you do it? Will you? Yes, come on tell me. Yes ma'am, bit louder. I can't hear. Why are you feeling shy? Don't feel shy. I am your Musfira ma'am. Say a bit louder. Say yes ma'am. Yes, very good. And before writing sentences, which are the things you should keep it in your mind? Beginning with capital letter and at the end of the sentence what you want to put? Full stop. Very good. Okay. Now take your English content book and turn to the page number 25. Turn to the page number 25. Write question number 2. Write sentences with the words given in the box. See, first one is smiling. Second one, singing. Third one, running. And the fourth one, eating. What you want to do? You have to make a sentence with these 4 words. Okay, in your English notebook. It's a small homework. And you have another interesting homework also. This you will really love it to do. Number 3, find the doing words. Shall we do now? Yes? Let it be a classwork itself. Shall we do it now? Okay, wait. 1 second. Let me erase this. Can everyone see this box? Okay. Now you should tell me what are the letters are given in this box. Come on, tell me. Yes. Okay. E, A, T, J, U, M, P, A, G, T, A, L, K O C L A P C D O Y P. What is this? You have to find the doing words. You have to find the doing words. Now tell me. Yes, come on. S E E C. C. Say doing word. What you want to do? You have to do it like this. Circle it like this with your pencil. Okay. Next one. J U M P A. Is there anywhere like doing words? Come on. J U M P. Jump. Very good. I can see some boys are jumping there. Okay. Some girls also. Next one. G T A L K. Talk. Is there anything like that? No. Then we'll remove G. Now see to the other letters. Talk. T A L K. Talk. Talk is an action. So circle it. Okay. Yes. Now O C L A P. O'clap. Is there any word like o'clap? No. Then remove O. Come to second. K L A P. Clap. Very good. Circle. Next. C D O Y P. It is there in your textbook itself. It is already done it in your textbook. You no need to do. Okay. So by this, I think everyone understood doing words and naming words and how to make a sentence with doing words and naming words. Okay, dear children. Okay, these are the works you have to do at home. Once again, I will tell you page number 28, second one, and from your content book, page number 25, question number 2. Okay. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye bye. We'll see you in the next class. Okay. Okay. Wait. But Rosie wants to say something. Yes, Rosie. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay then. Bye bye.